Hi everybody, we are shooting today. We're gonna, well, my girlfriend's gonna practice her aim shooting. We're gonna go to this Mikusuki place. It's a really nice shooting range. And yeah, maybe have something to eat. I've been dying to eat some of the alligator bites. Stick around, let's see how this day goes. Hey, let me see your gun. Boom. Hey, looking sexy. So here's the shooting range. So we went to Walmart and they're not selling bullets
anymore.
Yeah, it's been a year since they ran out of bullets. This is crazy. I can't believe it. We're hoping that they're selling here. If not, we're gonna have a bad day. Fingers crossed. And positive attitude. Right, baby?
Of course.
Yay. That's my G.I. Jane back here.
Always good positive
energy. She's G.I. Jane. She's like a Rambo. So we are, talking about good luck, man. We don't have, they don't have any bullets, but that guy that works there, he's gonna spare some bullets that he has there, and he's gonna give them to me for free. So, ain't that lucky, right, babe?
Right.
He's gonna give us some free bullets so we can shoot around there. But that's what I mean, guys. Always be optimistic, always have a good faith. Get along with everybody. You don't know who's gonna help you in the future. So yeah, and I don't even know that guy. That guy knows me, I guess, because the wheelchair. Yeah, but the guy's like, oh, don't worry, dude. I'll just go over there. I'll take some rounds so you can shoot. So yeah, the day's starting to look good. I love it. And as I'm talking here, I'm kind of fainting. I see everything white. Alrighty, I'll see you in the range, guys. 40 right here. My ears are ringing out of this world. Oh, and the thing is that I have the reflex. I can't stop jumping every time they shoot. Like, I forgot my headset, so I gotta mend through this. Ouch. Yeah. Oh, bueno. I guess there.
The warm-up.
Yeah.
90% de los ataques empiezan así de...
Slow it down.
How was your? Ooh.
Stupid.
You got the key? Nice.
Look at this.
Nice.
Nothing.
All right. Hey, thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, of course. I have the whole thing.
Thank you.
There you go.
Nice shooting if that was you.
Yeah. No, that was me. You saw it. You saw it. Hey, thanks, man. Have a good day. Nice shooting.
Yeah, baby. I'm not bad.
So yeah, guys, we did it. That was the range right there. It was good shooting. Good. It was a good shooting. We're gonna go now for Alligator Bites. I love this. I think it's a dessert. Or, I mean, not a dessert, an appetizer. It can be a dish too, but I usually get it in appetizers. We call Alligator Bites. It's the back of the alligator, just the tail, cut into chunks. It tastes just like chicken, but it's alligator. Let's see. And hope you're still here with us, enjoying this beautiful day, inspirational day, feeling good day. Stick around, guys. So how do you like it so far, baby?
Everything is perfect. I love this day.
How was the day? You know, and we had a couple of bumps before when we got up. We weren't gonna get up, we weren't gonna come here at all. It was a very hard mission, but you know what? Positive thinking, positive mind, everything, you know, just...
We always have a positive mind.
Yes, yes, that's for sure.
All the time.
Can you believe we went to a place, a shooting range, and they gave us bullets? They're like, hey dude, I know it. And not that they gave us the bullets, it's that there's no bullets anywhere. You can search online, there's no bullets anywhere. And the guy was like, hey dude, you know what, I'm gonna give, there were like 28 bullets. That was a lot, you know. And yeah.
We're lucky.
I'm lucky to be with you. And yeah.
Amen.
Por eso requerimos que todos usen mascarilla o alguna otra cubierta en el rostro, además de dar mascarillas en
A lot of people think that Alligator Bites, it's a piece of alligator. You know, they're like, ew, I don't want to eat that. It's an alligator. It's not an action, but it is alligator meat, but it tastes delicious.
It's like chicken.
It's just like chicken, a little bit thicker. The meat is a little more tougher.
Chicken.
I hate talking with my mouth full. Sorry. Did you eat one? Oh my god. Delicious.
It's chicken.
Oh my god.
Ay, Dios mío, mami. Look at him.